Hey YouTubers, D-Doc here again. It's about 8 p.m. Saturday, February 23rd, 2019. In the blizzard of 2019 here in central western Iowa. Let's take a look behind me and see what we got so far, huh? Well, we got some snow. We got some blowing, some snowing, some blowing snow. Blizzard-like conditions here in central western Iowa. It's blowing. I want to send out a special thanks to my viewer Samantha for giving me the hint to throw a little light on the situation. My apologies. It was dark this morning at 5:30 when I started this series. And decided to use a little light. There would have been two of them there, but the second one burned out as soon as I turned it on. So thank you for Samantha for bringing up the idea to throw a little light on the party. I want to thank all of my subscribers for watching and commenting on my videos. As you can see, we've got some snowing going on, a little bit of drifting. Let's take a look down here. This is not a good place to measure. Well, let's take a little look here. Looking about 3 inches right there, but I can assure you out there on the road, there's some drifting going on. There's even some drifting in my yard here. That right there is about almost 2 feet of drift going around the corner of the house. A little bit deeper, a bit on the sidewalk out there that's not protected by the house. So we've got maybe 4 to 5 inches anywhere else, just not on my sidewalk. And I tell you what, this is going to be the last video for the night. Temperature's about maybe 15 degrees here in central western Iowa, with a wind chill of, well, a lot less than that. So thought I'd give you the one last update on what we got so far in the blizzard of 2019. I'm going back inside, gonna stay warm. And I'll see you all tomorrow when I come out here and do a cold start of the snowblower. As always, thanks for watching and commenting.